Hi, I'm Joe from Vancouver, BC. I'm a HVAC certified plumber. Um, I'm reviewing the Mastercraft folding metric key set. What I like about it is that all the keys in one place. It also locks into place so you can't move it. However, for the homeowner, it's actually really useful. But for myself, for work, it doesn't really uh, work for me because of the length of the key and the size of this holder. I can't get into tight spaces, and I can't. These keys are not long enough for me to stick into the wheel of a fan motor to take off the wheel, the collar on the wheel. Um, Overall, for the average homeowner, I will recommend this. This is a tough one for me. I don't recommend it for the trades, simply because the keys are too short and this is very bulky. We're more prone to using the single handle ones, single key ones. For the homeowner, however, I do recommend it. It works very well with IKEA furniture or just the odd nut or screw you need to loosen, because everything is in one place and it's also lockable and you won't lose any Allen keys.